Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5226P. It's a 2016 Chevy 3/4 ton crew cab long box with 196 for K. This one came from our telecoms company. Nice and clean. It's got these awesome wheel-to-wheel corrugated running boards. A nice big full crew cab, lots of room for tools or materials back there. New tires all the way around. Adjustable shelf here on the passenger side of the fiberglass topper. Ladder rack up top, which can house 2 extension ladders as well as 1 step ladder down the center. There's also a cargo bed slide here. Pulls all the way out, put your pack outs or materials on there. There's also a pull-out tray down below as well for additional storage. These trucks work great for plumbing and heating companies, electrical companies, and general contractors, especially anybody that's doing any sort of rural work. Having the 3/4 ton is definitely a lot tougher to be bombing around grid roads on than the 1/2 ton. Little slat wall there for some parts or blue bin storage. And again, nice and open up front for cases or anything like that you might be chucking in there. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. There's Bluetooth, integrated trailer brake, flip up center console for an extra passenger. And lots of goodies in there. Nice, clean, full crew cab long box. Fantastic for any sort of, any person in the construction industry. Something like this would definitely be a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 5226, 2016 Chevy 3/4 ton.